Crystals. They shimmer, they sparkle, they captivate our imagination. These natural wonders have a way of drawing us in with their mesmerizing beauty. For centuries, people have been drawn to their beauty and mystique. From ancient times to the present day, crystals have held a special place in human culture. Ancient civilizations believed in the power of crystals, using them for healing, protection, and even love. They were integral to rituals and ceremonies, believed to connect the physical and spiritual realms. Today, crystals are experiencing a resurgence in popularity, as more and more people are discovering their potential to enhance our lives. They are not just decorative items, but are seen as tools for personal growth and well-being. There's something undeniably magical about holding a crystal in your hand. The cool, smooth surface, the way it catches the light, it feels like holding a piece of the Earth's history. Each crystal is unique, with its own distinct energy and vibration. No two crystals are exactly alike, making each one a special treasure. This energy resonates with our own, creating a powerful connection. It's believed that crystals can amplify our intentions and help us focus our energy. Whether you're new to the world of crystals or a seasoned enthusiast, their allure is undeniable. The variety and beauty of crystals can be overwhelming, yet incredibly inviting. Crystals are believed to work by interacting with our energy fields, also known as our auras. They can influence our emotional and physical states, promoting a sense of well-being. They can help to clear blockages, amplify positive energies, and promote balance and harmony within us. Many people use them in meditation and healing practices to enhance their spiritual journey. When it comes to love, crystals can assist us in attracting a partner, deepening our existing relationships, and healing emotional wounds. They serve as gentle reminders of our intentions and desires, helping us to manifest love and connection in our lives. Love is a fundamental human need, a universal force that binds us together in ways both seen and unseen. It is a force that connects us all, transcending boundaries and bringing us closer. It's no wonder that we seek ways to attract more love into our lives. From ancient times to modern days, humans have turned to various tools and practices to enhance this powerful emotion. Crystals can be powerful allies in this journey, acting as conduits of love's energy. These beautiful stones are believed to hold unique vibrations that can influence our emotional and spiritual well-being. They can help us to open our hearts, release past hurts, and manifest the love we desire. By working with crystals, we can create a more loving and harmonious environment for ourselves and those around us. Many people believe that crystals work by resonating with the law of attraction, a principle that suggests our thoughts and feelings can shape our reality. This law states that like attracts like, so by focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, we can attract more of the same into our reality. Crystals can serve as tools to amplify these positive vibrations. Crystals can amplify these positive vibrations, making our intentions even more potent. Their natural energy can enhance our focus and help us to manifest our deepest desires. But it's not just about attracting a partner. Crystals can also play a significant role in our journey towards self-discovery and self-love. Crystals can also help us to cultivate self-love, which is essential for a happy and fulfilling life. By nurturing our own hearts, we become more capable of giving and receiving love. When we love and accept ourselves unconditionally, we radiate a magnetic energy that draws others to us. This self-assuredness can transform our relationships and our lives. Crystals like rose quartz and rhodonite are particularly helpful for fostering self-love and acceptance. These stones can support us in our journey towards a more loving and fulfilling life. Rose quartz, with its gentle pink hue, is known as the stone of unconditional love. It's a powerful crystal for attracting love into your life, but it's also excellent for healing emotional wounds and promoting self-love. Rose quartz teaches us about forgiveness, compassion, and acceptance, both for ourselves and others. Holding a piece of rose quartz can evoke feelings of peace, tranquility, and tenderness. It's like a warm hug for your heart. Keep a rose quartz crystal on your nightstand to promote loving dreams, or wear it as jewelry to attract love throughout the day. Rose quartz is also a wonderful crystal for enhancing existing relationships. Place a piece of rose quartz in your bedroom to promote harmony and love between you and your partner. You can also meditate with rose quartz, visualizing your heart chakra opening and filling with love. Rhodonite, with its beautiful shades of pink, red, and black, is a powerful crystal for healing emotional wounds and igniting passion. Its energy resonates deeply with the heart chakra, promoting emotional balance and self-love. It helps to release past traumas, resentment, and heartbreak, providing a sense of relief and emotional clarity, allowing you to move forward with an open and loving heart. This newfound openness can lead to healthier relationships and a more positive outlook on life. Rhodonite also encourages forgiveness, both for yourself and others. It helps to dissolve feelings of guilt and shame, replacing them with compassion and understanding. This crystal is particularly helpful for those who have difficulty letting go of the past. It aids in the process of emotional healing and personal growth. It teaches us that holding on to anger and resentment only hurts us in the long run. By letting go, we free ourselves from the chains of negativity. Rhodonite helps us to release these negative emotions, creating a pathway for inner peace and emotional freedom, making space for love and joy to enter our lives. This crystal's energy can transform your emotional landscape, inviting happiness and contentment. Rhodonite is also a stone of passion and commitment. It strengthens the bonds of love and deepens emotional connections. It can help to rekindle the spark in a long-term relationship, bringing back the excitement and intimacy that may have faded over time, or attract a passionate and devoted partner. Its energy draws in those who are ready for a deep and meaningful connection. Carry a piece of rhodonite with you on dates to enhance your confidence and attract positive energy. Or place it in your relationship corner, the far right corner of your home or bedroom, to amplify the energies of love and commitment. To enhance romance and commitment, let rhodonite be your guide in creating a life filled with love, passion, and emotional well-being.